Hi, this is Arne from faytech, and I'm showing Frank, our new sales director, what is the change between our old touch controller, which we use until May 2013, and our new touch controller, which we use from them. The old one is based on the ETR 4000 chipset from EETI, and the new one is based on the MER 4485 touch controller chipset from EETI. We have here a standard Windows 8, a standard touch PC system from us, from faytech, with a 1280 to 1024 resolution. It's a 17-inch touch PC rugged in an aluminium case, no moving parts. And for sure we took away the front case because, yes, I'm going to show you the change of the touch controller. We have Windows 8, and also with the old touch controller, you can start using it on the login, but you cannot type in anything. So this is why you have to use a keyboard, and we go shortly for the password and load the system.
What kind of touch screen are you using on this monitor?
We're using here a 5-wire resistive touch panel. That's our standard touch panel, but we have also SAW, infrared, and now capacitive solutions available. You see here for Windows 8, and by the way, sorry, it's a Chinese Windows 8, but for sure we are in China, and that's one of our main competitive advantages. We follow German engineering standards, but we do this in China to Chinese costs. So you don't have the Win 8 gestures, which you will see later when we change to the new touch controller. For sure you have the double click, you can move here within the system, and you can do whatever you want, but not the gestures. And let's going to deinstall the drivers which you had to do for being able to use the old touch controller, which is, by the way, still often used by competitors in the German market. You see a lot of offers still with the ETR 4000 chipset, and so they have really not the possibility to use and steer Windows 8 how it should be. And you see now, no more mouse, no more touch. So we have to finish with the mouse. And now we change to our new touch controller. What's that, based on the MER 4485 chipset.
How is the controller affixed inside the case?
You see here now we can just change the cables. For sure we did this for the presentation. Besides just clipping it inside the case, and for sure there it's screwed well with the two screw holes, we use a kind of red glue to double fix it. So not just a clip, but also a small glue which is movable a little bit. So even when there is a vibration, it still holds everything in place, and for sure that's very important for rugged conditions. Our touch controller supports serial or USB, so when you would use it with serial, it would be connected here. And we have a 4 that you can see also here on the old one, a 4 and 5-wire connection. So, and now you see for sure a complete different world. Okay. So you slide up, and now you see here comes directly the virtual keyboard. Just go for it, yeah. And without a keyboard, without a mouse, you can already log in well into Windows 8.
So it's just a lot easier to get into Windows 8 with the new touch controller.
Yeah, and then
a lot of competitors are still using the old kind of chipset.
Right.
Okay.
And then for sure you now see it. You have the complete Windows 8 world of moving around, sliding in, steer it however Windows 8 and Microsoft wanted to do it. And for sure also going off now is more easily. So let's say with the new MER 4485 touch controller compared to the old ETR 4000, we have now the complete possibility to use Windows without any keyboard or mouse, exactly with all the gestures and everything like it should be.
And all faytech's touch PCs have been shipped with this new controller since
May 2013. One important point is, and this I want to show, we installed this already before. It's a calibration tool from EETI. What's that? I made the installation, did I? And it should be this one. we have, sorry again in Chinese, but I tell it shortly. You can switch the firmware of the touch controller, and that's important. The old firmware can't be changed, it can't be updated. With the MER 4485 you can update the firmware. And you can change two modes between real mouse mode or the touch controller mode. And with the mouse mode, you can use the system even when you can't install any driver on some embedded systems. And for sure, when you switch to the touch controller mode, you have the same full Windows 8 functionality. And you have here the calibration tool, for example, which easily calibrates for 4 points. You can also do a 9 or 25 points calibration, and that's important. Windows 8 has problems to program the firmware of resistive touch controllers. That means when you, for example, flip the cable or you set it up on Linux and change the direction, then Windows 8 is not able to reprogram the firmware right, and then you should install shortly the calibration tool, which is on our webpage, to set it up right again.
Okay.
Good. Then thank you very much for the interest, and see you soon to another lesson. Bye bye.